Nice sunglasses. Can you see? Let me see. Are those Mr. Potato Head sunglasses? That's okay, we don't have to play with them. Yep, that's Mr. Potato Head. Okay. Oh. Okay. You like those sunglasses? Hey, what color are those sunglasses?
Blue.
No, not blue. They're yellow. Yellow. Here you go. Oh, you're going to spill that out also, huh? Oh. What do you say? What do you say, Hannah? No, the other one. Please. Can you say please? Hmm? Oh. Relax. What is that? What is that?
Yeah.
Hat, right.
Yeah.
It's a hat on your head? That's a hat also? You want me to put on the hat? Okay. Oh! Doesn't stay on my head. This one? That one will stay on. Eyes, right? He needs eyes. Where are the eyes? Where are the eyes? Why don't you look for them? Eyes, where are you? Did you find them? Oh, what's that? Hand.